Hello, Mark. So, I'm going to tell you how you will edit or post a new product or new tour on your website. So, suppose I'm going to take a new product. Uh, s- just take it from the here. In your website, the product and the tour is the same thing. Only we need to change from the this drop down. Okay, just name is test. Uh, one or two line one or two line of our overview that will publish on the front page of the product. Overview. The same thing will be mentioned just here. You want a shop item or a tour, so we need to select the tours. Your overview of the product of tour in detail. Itinerary, you have to assign your itineraries title, itinerary title and detail. If you want number of itineraries, you can add from here. If you have some images with your itineraries, you can add your image from the gallery. You have to upload your image here, and after that you can select your image for the product. Okay. Rest is accommodation. If you have some certain accommodation for this tour, your title about the accommodation, the tour package, inclusion, what is the inclusion, what is exclusion in this tour package. So you can consider the in here. If you have if you want to submit your some FAQ section, you can add your FAQ and a question and answer sections. Gallery, you can add the images for a product in your gallery, tour gallery. Add-ons, if you want some add-ons, you can select some add-ons. Optional price, option label. Okay, now there is a some one more feature we had included, that is a variable product. Suppose you want to have some variation in your price, like you had added the flight and the hotel. Okay, so we need to create some attribute for all the tours. Suppose we need to create flight, we need to create hotels, we need to create some other section which can varies with the pricing. Suppose I'll add flight here as discussed. Flight. What is the value of flight? I'll take $600. Dollar is used for variation, visible on product page. Save attribute. Now go to the variation, add variation, add variation. Any flight, I'll take 600. Here are some more settings for the price. You can add your flight images, the virtual variation price, 600 in stock, variation description. What is the description? What services you are providing? So flight expenses, fly, fly price including. Here is a start date. So if you want to start the tour from today, to and returning is the 22nd, including one more thing. Here you have to, where's the price? Yeah. 1000 is your product tour charges. Price including flight is 1600, and you have to set the 600 is added from here. Okay, so the rest of things add, go to the variation. Now you edit, choose virtual, variation price is 1000. Add there. 1000 is your tour charges, including 1600. Start date from today, and the tour will end on the 21st. Status available. So this is the detail of your tours. Okay, you don't need to add any inventory, you don't need to link any projects. If you have some linked tours, then you can link upsell and the cross sell, because you want to show the Nepal tour and you want to show the Kathmandu and the other tours with the Nepal tour, then you can link here. Okay, now come to the how the product will come up with the listing. So here are the categories of your tours. Suppose you want to add this tour in the private tour and the classic itineraries, you have to tick here. If the tour is a pilgrimage, if the tour is related to the city tour, mountain, the one that will be ticked, that will come under the listing. Product tour is like interesting, interesting tours, classic, any words you want to add, you can add into the tag. The holiday type is a camp, children, cycling, family. The destination, Lhasa, and all. Here is the, you have to set the product image. You can select a product image. You can select some product information. Testing tours, duration 15 days, group size, group capacity. You can add your product gallery. You can select multiple images using control. The product is ready to publish. You can see your product here. Thank you.